In this video, we're going to learn how to turn off sleep mode, also known as quiet mode on Instagram. Here we are in the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in, obviously. And then once you're here, you want to go over to your profile by tapping your profile image there in the lower right-hand corner of Instagram. And then once we're here, we're going to see three horizontal lines in the upper part of the screen here that will bring up, once we tap on them, the settings and activity for our Instagram account. And then we want to scroll down to where you see how you use Instagram. And then once we're here, you want to go ahead and go to how you use, and then you want to go to notifications under that. And then you're going to see something that says sleep mode towards the top. If you tap into sleep mode, it will let you know that it's on by being over to the right, and it is a kind of a lighter color if it's enabled. And then it lets you know kind of the start and end time. And what this basically does when on sleep mode is that any notification from Instagram will be muted during the time that sleep mode is enabled or on. So all you'll need to do is tap the checkbox there at the very top to disable, and it'll gray it out. Now, if you do still want sleep mode on for certain days and times, you can enable it there and then choose the specific days or uncheck the specific days there under choose days to put when and how you want sleep mode to work. Now, if you're still having a problem and not receiving your notifications, you may have something on your iPhone or mobile device like a focus mode. So if we go into the settings for our iOS device, you can see something here under focus. So if we go back here, scroll down slightly under settings and go to focus, it's the moon icon. And then under focus, you may have do not disturb on. If you swipe down, you can actually see here, if do not disturb is on, you'll actually see the little moon icon on your control center there. So make sure that you don't have a focus mode enabled or just the notifications for Instagram altogether from your phone side disabled if that's a problem, okay? And if you're on Android, go to settings, apps, Instagram, and then go to notifications and make sure that all relevant toggles are turned on for all the notifications that you want to receive. But that's it. That's how you turn on or off sleep mode or quiet mode on Instagram. If you have any further questions, put those in the comments section. Like, share, and subscribe if this helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video.